Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to our series of the lesson. It is now 173, lesson number 173. So let's make the entry. This is lesson number 173, part 41, in which we are showing the user forms creation. Yeah, and the form is the sale order entry, right? The sale order entry we have seen that you can give any existing order, for example. So this is, and you can uh, see you have we have developed it like that, that as soon as uh, the system sees that an item is already invoiced, and any attempt to put any change in it, say, for example, allowing a discount in it, so it's going to give you the error. It will respond that the line item has already been invoiced, so won't allow you to this. Another way of doing this is that on the click, even when we are clicking and it is bringing this information on the top, so at that time it can see that if it is invoice, then straight away it can disable it, can disable the discount, so that there is no chance that anybody can. We cannot make any change in here. We cannot make any change in here. Similarly, so, since this is already invoiced, so these two things, so this one and this one, should become disabled. They so that there is no point of changing that. Okay, so we go to the click event, right? Let's go to the develop tab. Then we go to the Visual Basic Editor, and here we have our form, sale order form, and this is the this is where we click. Okay, so just double click on it. So as soon as this is clicked, it brings all this information there. So at the same time, it should do that. What it should do, it should bring, it should and disable the prod, that is the item name, right? Prod dot enabled equal to false, right? Is equal to false, right? And the next is the discount. The discount dot enabled is equal to false. So let's see the impact of it. Yeah. When you click it, 42, we go to this, okay? It is displaying all the items, line items of this order. And, and as soon as you click anything, you won't be able to do. But this has to be done only when it is invoiced. The status is invoiced, okay? So we have to make the changes. So let's improve it. So we go to the click event of it, right? The click event of the list box one, and here we will say that do this and disabling of these two items only when if the stat is equal to invoiced. That Yeah, right. So if we go back and we say 42, okay, now we click it, it is because it is disabled, right? So how about anything else which is any number which is other than invoiced, that is 42, that is 41. Order number 41 is something that is called, that is allocated, right? 41, order number 41 has the item which is showing in allocated. So what happens with it? Let's see. So we go to 41 straight away. Yeah. You click enter. Yeah. When you click on this, then you can do. Since this is located, you can make any changes. The stock is allocated, but still you can uh, work out, you can enter the discounts or make some changes which are permissible. But here we would not like that thing which is allocated and then you change the name of it. Huh? So we will say that if it is allocated, then disable the change of it, huh? Because this is allocated, right? Okay, so what we do, we go back to the order, and here we will say if the stat is allocated, it has to be same spelling as we have seen it there, and same way of typing. This is right? Control C, yeah, Alt F11, Control V, right? So here we would like product to be disabled, but uh, you can stop disabling this so that you can still do the changes other than the name, right? Okay. I mean, that is the discount is the only thing which you can make the changes. Hey, so you can see 41, click 41, right? And when you click here, it's disabled, and you can still, although the stock is already allocated and not yet invoiced, so still there is a chance that you may decide to make changes in the discount and the price here is completed. For example, you give a $5, that's a $6 discount in here. Okay. Okay. Anything you can, a $5 discount. So, so the $5 are reduced in it and these are updated. $5 comes here. That's right. It's going fine. Okay. So this is another enhancement we have done that you can restrict the editing of an element in the line item by using the if command that and keeping the watch on the status. If the status is allocated, yes, you can make the changes. If it is already invoiced, so disable it so that there is no point of changing it. Okay, thank you very much for joining us.